Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter P. Capital P, little p. What words begin with P? Package. P-A-C-K-A-G-E. The word package begins with the letter P. Look, a package. What could it be? Maybe a pot, or a pillow, or even a tree. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm very curious as to what it might hide. Pear. P-E-A-R. This delicious fruit grows on trees. There are over 3,000 varieties of pears. Ripe pears are sweet and juicy. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguins only live in the southern hemisphere, and their wings are not made for flying. What are they used for? Penguins flap their wings underwater so that they can travel real fast to catch food or escape predators. Penguins are great swimmers. What sound does the letter P represent? P. Can you say P? Very good. P, the 16th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.